have to use any gold berries since it's a quiet nature. Yep, just the toughness went up. Only indigo berries to take care of this. How awesome. How fortunate. Ah, so lucky that in the back-to-back Feebas, the first one I got was a quiet nature, beneficial for it to evolve into a beautiful, shiny Milotic. My heart is pounding. See if I can turn the volume a little. Shiny female Milotic sapphire version. I love that cry. I love that shiny. This shiny is absolutely monumentally legendary to the community. A beautiful shiny goddess against a normal Roselia. Shiny Milotic.